The mayor of a town in Texas is now the former mayor after telling his constituents to quit their griping about the cold weather and the lack of electricity. Mayor Tim Boyd of Colorado City posted a nasty message on Facebook telling suffering Texans no one owes you or your family anything, nor is it the local government's responsibility to support you during trying times like this. Sink or swim. It's your choice. And that wasn't all. He went in deeper, adding the city and county, along with power providers or any other service, owes you nothing. I'm sick and tired of people looking for a darn handout. Only the strong will survive, and the weak will perish. Even worse are the Texas politicians who love to champion this Lord of the Flies style of governing because only the strong survive. Dan Patrick, the Republican lieutenant governor of Texas, once suggested that grandparents would sacrifice their very lives if it meant getting the country back to work during the pandemic.
Let's get back to work. Let's get back to living. Let's be smart about it. And those of us who are 70 plus, we'll take care of ourselves.
You're basically saying that this disease could take your life, but that's not the scariest thing to you. There's something that would be worse than dying.
Yeah.
Yes, not having a nail salon open when you need it. Then there is former Texas Congressman Ron Paul, father of Rand, who once told a cheering crowd of Republicans that the beauty of his politics is the freedom to be selfish.
That's what freedom is all about, taking your own risk. This whole idea that you have to prepare and take care of everybody.
I know, that sounds pretty gross. But that's not even the worst. The absolute worst is when you realize that that kind of ideology has been put into actual practice. Just take a look at the Texas power grid. It's the only state-run system that is free from federal control. Texas Republicans proudly deregulated the power market years ago so that the energy companies, not state regulators, could manage and maintain their power plants. Those companies didn't winterize their equipment because that free market system allowed them to put a priority on cheap prices over reliable service. Call it the Texas Enron way. But those choices, that deregulation, has led us to where we are now, with millions of Texans struggling to stay warm, safe, and alive.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. You should know that you can follow today's top stories and breaking news and catch up on your favorite MSNBC shows all in one place. Download the NBC News app today.